Hey everyone, let's go ahead and talk about adjusting some of your notification settings. Now, the reason for this is, know how when your teacher sends you a message in Microsoft Teams or you get a message in PowerSchool saying, hey, you moved your grade up, good job. Right now, your notification just pops down and then sucks back up and disappears. So what we want to be doing is change some of these settings so that it comes down and stays and gives you a chance to see what that notification was. So let's go ahead and tap your settings cog on your iPad, and then we're going to go ahead and in the left window pane, scroll down to the fourth section and tap notifications. Once you're in notifications, we're going to look down at the different apps. Here's where we're going to head first. Let's go to Schoology. So tap on Schoology, and then right here, tap Banner Style. And where it says temporary, we're going to tap that and change it to persistent. Once you do that, you don't need to save, just tap that little back arrow where it says Schoology and tap it one more time. Now let's go down to Teams. Tap Teams and do the same thing. Tap Banner Style and change it to persistent. And then back up one more time and let's go ahead to PowerSchool. Find that. All right, right there's PowerSchool, and click Banner Style, and same thing, change that to persistent. All right, now we're not going to do Outlook only because a lot of you have notifications being sent to your mail for every little thing, and that might drive you a little bit nuts. So let's leave that one alone. All right, that's it for notifications.